Exciting news for Social Security and SSDI beneficiaries. The long-awaited holiday stimulus payments of $1,800 are finally becoming a reality this December 2024. If you're wondering whether you qualify, when exactly you'll receive your payment, and what you need to do to ensure you don't miss out on this special holiday bonus, you're in the right place. This could be the financial boost you've been waiting for just in time for the holiday season. Before we dive into the essential details about this holiday stimulus payment, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any crucial updates about Social Security benefits, stimulus payments, and financial news that could put more money in your pocket. Now, let's get into the information you've been waiting for. The Internal Revenue Service has just announced the rollout of these special holiday stimulus payments, and there's a lot of important information you need to know. First and foremost, let's address the question on everyone's mind: who qualifies for this $1,800 holiday stimulus? This special payment is specifically targeted at Social Security Retirement, Disability, and SSDI recipients, making it a significant financial boost for millions of Americans during the holiday season. One of the most pressing questions we're hearing is about the timing of these payments. The IRS has established a systematic rollout schedule beginning in December 2024, with direct deposits starting to hit bank accounts in waves. This organized approach ensures that all eligible recipients will receive their payments efficiently and securely. But what determines when you'll receive your payment? The distribution schedule is primarily based on your Social Security number's last digits, similar to how regular Social Security payments are distributed. You might be wondering, why is this holiday stimulus happening now? The initiative comes as a response to the ongoing financial challenges many seniors and disabled Americans face, particularly during the holiday season when expenses typically increase. This $1,800 payment is designed to provide additional support during this crucial time of year when many beneficiaries face higher utility bills, increased food costs, and holiday-related expenses. Let's break down the eligibility requirements in detail. To qualify for this holiday stimulus, you must be a current recipient of Social Security retirement benefits, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or be eligible for both programs. The good news is that if you're already receiving these benefits, you're likely automatically qualified for this stimulus payment. However, there are some important details about income thresholds and other qualifying factors that you need to be aware of. Many people are asking about the specific payment dates. The IRS has announced that the first wave of direct deposits will begin hitting accounts in early December 2024. For those who receive their regular Social Security or SSDI payments through direct deposit, you'll receive this stimulus payment the same way. If you typically receive paper checks, your stimulus payment will also come as a check, but it may arrive slightly later than the direct deposits. Here's something crucial that many people might overlook: ensuring your payment information is up to date. While most recipients won't need to take any action to receive their payment, it's essential to verify that the IRS and Social Security Administration have your correct banking information and current mailing address. This is particularly important if you've moved or changed banks in the past year. A common question we're hearing is, will this holiday stimulus affect my other benefits? This is an important concern, and here's the good news. This special holiday payment will not count as income for determining eligibility for federal or state benefit programs. This means your regular Social Security payments, SSDI benefits, Medicare, Medicaid, SNAP benefits, or other assistance programs won't be affected by receiving this stimulus payment. Let's talk about how this holiday stimulus differs from previous stimulus payments you might have received. Unlike earlier pandemic-related payments, this holiday stimulus is specifically targeted at Social Security and SSDI recipients. The amount is fixed at $1,800, and it's designed to provide targeted support to these specific beneficiary groups during the holiday season. For those who receive both Social Security and SSDI benefits, you might be wondering if you'll receive multiple payments. The answer is no. Eligible recipients will receive one $1,800 payment regardless of whether they qualify under multiple benefit programs. This ensures fair distribution of the stimulus funds across all eligible recipients. What about dependent children or other family members? This is another common question we're receiving. The holiday stimulus payment is designed for individual beneficiaries, but there are specific provisions for certain dependent situations. If you have dependent children who receive benefits based on your record, there may be additional considerations to keep in mind. Let's address the tax implications of this stimulus payment. Many recipients are concerned about whether they'll need to pay taxes on this $1,800. The good news is that this holiday stimulus payment is not considered taxable income. You won't need to report it on your 2024 tax return, and it won't affect your tax bracket or tax liability. For those who are currently working while receiving Social Security or SSDI benefits, there's more good news. This stimulus payment won't count toward your earnings limit if you're under full retirement age and still working. This means you can receive the full $1,800 without worrying about it affecting your regular benefit payments. What should you do if your payment doesn't arrive when expected? The IRS and Social Security Administration have established a process for tracking and resolving payment issues. If you don't receive your payment within the expected time frame, there will be specific channels through which you can inquire about your payment status and resolve any potential issues. Here's an important aspect that many people might not consider: planning how to use this stimulus payment effectively. While the holiday season often brings additional expenses, it's worth considering how to maximize the benefit of this $1,800 payment. Consider creating a plan for the funds that balances immediate needs with potential longer-term financial security. Let's discuss the verification process for these payments. The IRS will be working closely with the Social Security Administration to verify eligible recipients. This coordination ensures that payments are distributed accurately and efficiently to those who qualify. However, it's important to be aware of potential scams during this time. Remember that neither the IRS nor the Social Security Administration will call, email, or text you asking for personal information related to this stimulus payment. For those who have recently applied for Social Security or SSDI benefits, there are specific cutoff dates that determine eligibility for this holiday stimulus. Understanding these dates is crucial for knowing whether you qualify for the payment. If you became eligible for benefits during 2024, specific rules determine whether you receive the full amount or a prorated portion. Many recipients are asking about the best way to track their payment. The IRS will provide updates through their online portal, and the Social Security Administration will also have information available through the My Social Security account system. These tools will help you stay informed about when to expect your payment and verify its status. Let's address another common concern: what happens if you're currently living outside the United States? If you're a Social Security or SSDI recipient living abroad, you may still be eligible for this holiday stimulus payment, but there might be additional considerations regarding how and when you'll receive it. For those who share expenses with family members or live in shared households, it's important to note that each eligible individual will receive their own stimulus payment. This means that if multiple people in your household receive Social Security or SSDI benefits, each qualified person will receive their own $1,800 payment. Here's something practical to consider. If you currently receive your benefits through Direct Express or another government-issued debit card, your stimulus payment will be deposited to the same card. Make sure your card is active and hasn't expired to avoid any delays in receiving your payment. Let's talk about the preparation steps you can take now. First, ensure all your information is current with both the Social Security Administration and the IRS. Second, check that your Direct Express card or banking information is up to date. Third, be aware of the expected payment date based on your Social Security number's last digits so you can plan accordingly. What about those who have representative payees managing their benefits? The stimulus payment will be sent to the same destination as your regular benefits, whether that's to you directly or to your representative payee. The same rules and responsibilities apply to the management of these funds as with your regular benefits. As we approach the distribution period, it's important to stay informed about any updates or changes to the payment schedule. Keep an eye on official communications from the Social Security Administration and the IRS, and be wary of any unofficial sources claiming to have inside information about these payments. If you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on the latest news about Social Security benefits, stimulus payments, and financial updates that could affect your benefits, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Share this information with friends and family who might benefit from it, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about the holiday stimulus payment. I'll be responding to comments and providing updates as more information becomes available. Thank you for reading. And remember to keep checking back for the latest updates on this holiday stimulus payment and other important benefit news. Stay tuned for more helpful insights in the next update.